Hello guys, if you wanna use AdBlock on your ASUS Zenfone 6, for the first you have to download it. So go to the Google Play Store, type here AdBlock. Now just choose one of the following. I will go for the first, click on the install. Now we have to wait until this application finish downloading. Now it is installing, and now we can open it. Click on the continue and accept, proceed, and we have opened it also with this free AdBlock always. And now if we are going to our website HardReset.Info, there will be no any ads here. HardReset.Info. Yeah, and for example we can go to the article section, and as you can see there is no ads. Even if we go to the article, still there is no ads here. And if we click here, you have to see how many ads were blocked and how many megabytes we saved. So this is how it looks on this device. Thank you for the watching. Leave likes, subscriptions and comments below.